Brian's on his car.
Where are we going, Frank? Like that? Is that how you want to do it? So we're heading out to Brian Bowles' house to look at a Suburban because Frank's worried about how much work it's going to be to paint it. He's getting off the freeway in a quarter mile though. I think we're just going to check it out and make sure it's not in too bad a shape and make sure Frank gets off on the exit that I just told him about 3 times. But we don't know where the hell we're going, and we've been on the road for like an hour and a half because he lives on the other side of the world.
I'm Brian Val.
And I'm Mickey Val.
This is our 69 Suburban we're getting ready to build for SEMA 2018.
I'm sorry to start laughing. Oh crap. Get it right.
All right. I'm Brian Val.
And I'm Mickey Val.
This is our 1969 Suburban we're building for SEMA 2018.
I'm thinking it looks like a lot of work from here, and all we can see is about 3 inches of it.
These got to be sanded like to match, you know what I mean? So they just actually have to be ground to match
This one
the
doesn't
contour.
work.
It works. It's just stuck.
I didn't want to be the guy.
Yeah. So you know what I mean? After,
Yeah,
they
grind
just,
them down.
Yeah, because you can see how they're super thick.
Yeah.
So you just
Grind them and roll them in.
grind them and roll them in, yeah. You know, so that's the only thing that hadn't been done. This has been straightened, but it probably needs a little more love, I'm sure.
Just didn't need to be leaned out or whatever. I mean,
Yeah, well, this is aftermarket, and those.
well, yeah, it's just. I think you get it blasted, then grind these down flush with the metal, and then DTM prime, and then figure out from there what we got, you know. But at least need to do the grinding on it.
My main deal is I just got to know that we're going to be close to budget at the, you know, at least.
Yeah.
Well, it won't go over 80
Yeah.
Well, yeah.
for the paint job.
It's a lot of work, but it's not horrible, but it's a lot of work. It's a big vehicle.
All right. This is Ronnie with C10 Talk, C10 Nation. What's up, cats? So we got Brian and Mickey Suburban down here. Went straight from Brian's house over to sandblaster, and then straight to Frank's, got epoxy primed, and then came down to us. We got the body on it now. Got all the suspension work in, engine and transmissions in. We got all the exhaust tacked in place. So we did the Black Widow Venom 300s, and we like, if you guys seen his ours, all the Porterbuilt suspensions in place. Just their kind of standard trailing arm setup. We started doing all the sheet metal and the wheel wells and sealing that inside out. CPP brakes are on all 4 corners. What's next for this is we got to get the gas tank in. We've already got the new gas door. We just went with a Hagen, style round flush door. The most difficult part of this build is not going to be for us. The most difficult part of this build is going to be for Frank, because this thing's about 22 feet long or so, and it's just going to be a lot of work to get it straight down the sides. I think that's probably going to be the most amount of work. There's some stuff on this truck that we haven't done. I've, believe it or not, never done a T56. The nice thing is, originally this truck was a manual, so it does have the clutch pedal, but we've got to figure out how to mount a clutch master cylinder to the pedal and do the reservoir and all that fun stuff. We've got the harness on the way for the engine from Modern Vintage already. I think probably another week or maybe 2 on mock-up on this. And then right before it goes to Frank, we'll template out the roof and measure out for a big, huge sliding rag top from Legacy Products.